Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly replace images inside your Canva templates. To swap an image, simply click on the photo you want to replace. Then go to the left sidebar and select Uploads if you're adding your own image, or select Photos to browse Canva's stock library. Once you find the image you want, just drag it directly on top of the existing image. Canva will automatically snap it into place inside the frame. If your image looks too zoomed in, double-click the photo to adjust the crop. You can drag it to reposition or resize until it looks perfect to you. You can also click Edit Image in the top menu to adjust brightness, contrast, or apply a filter for a more polished, cohesive look. That's it. Swapping images is quick and easy, and it's one of the best ways to make your template feel fully customized to your preference. For more Canva tips and Lux design tutorials, be sure to subscribe and check out our full collection of ready-to-use templates.